Mathematics the missing link. So when it comes to understanding truth and it comes to understanding things about our universe, we go to various branches of knowledge to understand truth about reality. And let me just say this, I think we need to go back to searching for the truth. Go back to a public consensus that says, I want to know truth. One of my core values is I want to know truth. Instead of saying my truth is not your truth and all that blah, 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 all that nonsense. Because if you look at the ancients, for example, Pontius Pilate in John chapter 18, verse 34, when he asked Jesus, what is truth? You look at all the writings of the ancient philosophers, Socrates, Plato, and men like that, and you see even the ancient extra biblical Jewish texts. You see all these people throughout history, Romans and Greeks. They're searching for truth. We've gotten into a postmodern world where we just act like truth don't even exist. My truth is not your truth. What is your truth? Truth is truth. But to get back to the point of this video, is mathematics the missing link? So when we think about trying to understand, our reality and the world or reality in general and truth, oftentimes we go to science, we'll go to history, but sometimes we'll even go to like archaeology and stuff like that. But one field that is not considered, it's used in the natural sciences, but it's not really considered as like one of the main fields of knowledge, a mainstream, I should say, field of knowledge to know truth. And if you're a physicist and you say, you're crazy, you don't know what you're talking about, please, I welcome you saying that in the comment section. But from what I've noticed in reading, different books and reading books about, for example, the philosophy of mathematics and different books on those types of subjects, I've noticed that mathematics isn't really viewed as in the mainstream thought like science is. Now, we understand mathematics reveals truth. We understand 2 + 2 = 4. And I know back in 2021 or 2022, there was that Canadian college professor lady who tried to say 2 + 2 = 4 is racist. Now, that's just crazy talk. Nobody believes that. 2 + 2 = 4. We understand that mathematics reveals truth. But what if I told you that mathematics is the missing link and is one of the strongest proofs for God? Because the question was mathematics discovered or was it created? Now, discovered meaning, did these mathematical formulas already exist in the world? Were they already placed there for us to discover? Invented meaning, did we humans, as we got more intelligent, invent mathematical formulas to better understand our world? And I would say the answer is yes. The answer is yes. I believe mathematics are discovered, the foundational mathematics, because if you think about numbers, 2 + 2 = 4, we can see two objects, but what is 2? What is 4? What is 1? Numbers innately are abstract. They're non-physical entities. You're not going to take a number and examine it under a microscope because it's an abstract, non-physical entity. Now, we have discovered amazing things about our universe through mathematics. In the late 1800s, we discovered a planet that we did not even know existed because of mathematics. Did you also know that our understanding of the electron and the movement of an electron, a lot of that understanding comes from mathematical formulas because nobody has ever seen an electron. It's too small to see. So a lot of what we understand about the electron and the movement of the electron, and even there's studies that talk about if you look at the electron, the electron itself changes form or moves. A lot of that understanding is by mathematics and mathematical formulas. So here's the point of this video. Mathematics is one of the strongest proofs for God. Because if mathematics was discovered and mathematical formulas, understanding mathematical formulas and numbers requires a logos, a mind, an intelligent mind, then that means that the intelligent mind was God. That's why you have this uncanny effectiveness of math and natural sciences. Eugene Wigner wrote a paper on it, The Unreasonable Effectiveness of Mathematics and the Natural Sciences. And he goes through